foam. Easy.
Bodoh betul.
Hi. So first, if you wanted to make Kamen Rider Kuuga, so you have a template. You stack the foam with 5mm foam, like 4 stack, and then you sanded it off using a Dremel. You layer it with a 2mm foam. Easy.
Bodoh.
Helmet, because we focus more on body parts and the hand parts and stuff, and it's kind of really hard to make the video of the helmet, so it will be a long video. And of course, if you guys wanted a video about the Kamen Rider Kuuga helmet, please comment it below and do subscribe for more content for in the future, of course. So hello guys, today we have finished, as you can see, Kuuga mighty form, and I have finished the belt too, this beautiful belt and stuff, and yes, the helmet, and all by our template itself. Maybe you guys can, if you guys interested in having the template, please comment in below. And of course, I will start cost test this for you guys to see whether it is beautiful or not, or it's the same as you guys want it or not. So yes, before we get into the suit cost test, don't forget to like and share, and of course it will be so honored if you guys do subscribe to our channel itself. We have a lot of content and ideas. So
Pusing balik.
Oh my god. So this is the final product. As you can see, it's beautiful. Beautiful. This is not done yet because I didn't buy the freaking things. But overall, we just finished this overall craft. And yes, I needed to add some of the eyes and etc. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you guys wanted a template or wanted some tips for your cosplay and props, please do tell me. We have a lot of tutorials coming up. Don't forget to subscribe. Of course, as usual, like, share, love. I'm KingRuji.tv, not KingRuji.tv. That is my live stream Facebook. I am Kuramaker. So see you guys again. Comment below. Don't forget. Okay, don't forget. Bye bye.